Okay, guys, yeah, good morning. All right, now first thing first, try to organize all your airdrop into a folder so it will be easier for you to be able to not keep any airdrop you are doing. Okay, all these airdrop I've organized into a folder. So I'm going to be talking about cycle and how to play the game of cycle. Okay, now circle is not a tap to earn, right? So I'm going to open the app. It's not really a tap to earn. All you just need to do is get in there, get referral if you can. If you can't, do daily task. Then there's what we call turn transaction if you can do that as well. Okay. Now in circle here, the first thing you need to look at is you can see I have sparks here. You will not get circle, you only get sparks. And that's simply what that means is you have to convert these sparks into circle. Okay, this is the spark I've earned so far, and this is the circle I have. Now these two things you are seeing, I converted the sparks into circle, and by how I did that is via this place and here. I will choose the amount of sparks I want to convert into circle. Now the possibility or the probability of it uh, converting is 40%. Okay, if you want to play the safer side, you have to increase this to 100%, so it will convert 1 to 1. That is, for one sparks you get one circle. Okay, but let's assuming you have this gambling spirit in you. Let's assuming, okay, let's do a little bit of practical here. Okay, a little bit of practical here. So I put 1 here. I'm going to get 2 because of I'm using 40% probability. Now let's assume we increase this to 50%. I'm still going to get 2. Then from 51% upward, I'm only going to get 1. So I'm going to convert it 1 to 1, right? So if you want to play the safer side, you can just increase to the maximum where you will not lose anything. So let's upgrade this and see. It's rolling. It's doing the upgrade. Now we got 1, right? So I click on this. Now let's assume I want to, maybe try my luck to get 2. It simply means that when this rolls around, this yellow line must be here. Any part of this yellow line must be inside here. If it's not, you are going to lose that one. Okay, let's gamble. So I will say it's probability. So now I'm taking 50%. If it works, I'm going to get 2. If it does not, I'm going to lose 1, right? So upgrade. Sorry guys, upgrade. You see, it failed. What happened? I lost 1. Now let's go back. Let's assume I try it again. This time around, if I get this one, simply means I used 2 to get 2. So let's upgrade. Do you understand? The first one we lost it, the second one we got it. So indirectly we have converted 2 to 2. I don't know whether I get it. Okay, let's do it again. Let's assuming I want to convert 100. I'm going to get 200 based on my probability. If I reduce it further, let's say 24%, I'll get 400. Okay, but in case I do not get 400, I'm going to lose 100. Should we try it? Upgrade. You see, we lost 100. Now let's try again. Upgrade. Be counting. We lost 200. Upgrade. Be counting. We gain 400. Do you get it? We use 200 to gain 400. So that is 2 to 2, right? So to increase this, you can just simply increase it to like 50% chance. 50% is still okay. So for every 100 you lose, you are getting 200. For every 100, you are getting 200 if you are lucky. Okay, let's go on. We lost 100, right? No circle for us. So we do it again. That's 200 now. 200 sparks. So 200 to 200. 200 to 200. So if you want to play it safe, you can just simply draw this to 100. You are going to get for everyone, it's just like 1-to-1 conversion. So let's assume I put 500 here or 597. I'm going to get 597 circle. So if you don't want to lose anything, you don't want to gamble anything, just simply you can convert to 1-to-1 by increasing to 100. But let's assume you want more, like me. For 597, we are going to get 1194. We click on upgrade. If you lose 597. 597 is gone. You try it again. You lose now, you lose another 597. But luckily for us, we did not. So indirectly, we gain 1194. So we use 1000 sparks to get 1194 cycle. Okay. So if you want to do 1-on-1, you can do, if you can do it. And if you decide you want to take bigger risk, you can. You can get up to 1-to-4, right? So all you just need to do is know your risk appetite and take that risk. Okay. But if you don't want to risk anything, it's easy. Even if you do this, it's 1 to 10. Very risky. So with this, I'm going to get, for one, I'm going to get 100. Could be lucky, you know. So that's how it is. So that's how simple it is. And okay, before I go, let's go back to this place. We call it earn. You are going to be earning here every single day. You are going to get something to earn here. All these are tasks you can do. If you want to make ton transaction, you get 10,000 sparks. You can do that, but it cost you ton. Then if you purchase star also, they'll give you this kind of if you purchase 25 stars, they are going to give you 2,500 sparks. Okay. Then here you can follow the Telegram channel. Fine. Then boost cycle. You need to have a premium to be able to do this. I have a premium, so I want to boost. Let me check. Okay, not completed. So I boost cycle. I boost the channel. Now automatically I'm going to be getting 1000 sparks because I boost the channel. If you don't have premium, you can't do that. Okay. Then if you click on share as well, share it into your stories, then you get 2000 sparks. If you invite 10 friends, you get 5000 sparks. I don't have any friends. Okay. Then you can also watch video. Normally if you are watching video like this, you need to let it end, as in let the video play to the end, 08765 because if you close it now, you are not going to get it. Okay. So once it finish, it closes, get the spark. If we go back, we see we have earned some sparks that we can now convert into cycle. So remember, your risk appetite will determine what you want to do with it. It's 1-to-1. So instead of you using 65%, you can automatically just use 100, because 1-to-2 ends at 50% chances. Okay. 50% chances. So if you know how to calculate properly, you even make more if you are using 50-50. Okay. Because if you are lucky, for every 10 you play and you're able to win like 6, you have more coin. But if you want to convert just 1-to-1, it's easy. Just drag it to the end, and for every 500 you put in there, you're going to get 500 back. So it's as if you're just converting, which is the best. If you're not a gambling individual, okay, you don't want to take any risk, that's fine. But if you decide to take risk, you know you are going to lose. For example, now I'm going to do twice. I lost 500. Okay, I do it again. Luckily I got that. So indirectly I used 1000 to get 1086 sparks, 86 circle. So that's how to do this. Okay. Any question, just ask, I'll answer.